Hey there, I'm Mosik and you are watching Artist Life. Well, I'm back here at the street and I am going to start working on this painting again, okay? So just kick back and let's start. Well, these are the colors again that I'm using. Titanium white, cadmium yellow, and ultramarine blue. Royal blue, ivory black, cad red, yellow ochre, and liquid. Okay. So if you notice, I use cad yellow with the ultramarine blue, and it gives me this light shade of green. If I wanted to apply more blue to just cool down the green, I can do that if you notice. And let's go at it. Okay, so I'm just applying these brush strokes here. Today I'm trying to just focus on those leaves and capturing the highlights. So I can go ahead and put a little bit of titanium white in that, if you notice. So I am trying to capture the darks and lights. So before I work on the branches, I just want to place these leaves in the right spot. Now, if I wanted to use the complement, which is red, look what I'll get. I'll get another shade of green. It's a little bit warmer, more like army green. I can go ahead and introduce that here. And might be a good idea to squint, because when you squint you see your darks and lights better, and sometimes you can introduce this black. Let's just bring a little bit more of these dark tones in here. Right there. Again, I am using cad yellow with ultramarine blue, some dark. Okay, now let's work on the street just a little bit. Okay, so here we have yellow ochre. So if you notice, I'm taking yellow ochre with a little bit of cad red and titanium white right there, and yellow ochre. So I want to just start applying the color for the street right there. The shadow is a little different today, so that's understandable because of my lighting. So I am just simplifying. I don't need to hold on directly to what I had. Well, I want to work on this area now, and I do have some homes there, but I think I'm going to just get rid of the homes, and instead of the homes, maybe just either put trees there or something. Or if I did put the homes, it wouldn't be as detailed, so that it's more at a distance. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is just really simplify this area and see how it works. And the color that I want to use needs to be a cooler color. So I'm thinking of using ultramarine blue. And if you notice right there is what I have, and I need to just tone this down, so that seems to be a good color to use. And then liquid right there. Okay, so let's see. So just simplify this area. Trees there. All right. So let's work on this area and make some sense of that. Let's take ultramarine blue with cadmium yellow, and I need this shade. So this is what I'm making here, cad yellow, ultramarine blue, and that will be about right there. I'm going to apply that here. It's going to be some bushes at a distance, but I want to lighten the colors and just maybe just simplify it. Okay, and I can take cad yellow with titanium white, and that will be right there. Some highlights here. So again, this is going to help me. I'm just mapping out the colors. It's going to make more sense to me when I take this to the studio and just kind of like work on it there. It will make more sense. So this is more like a guide. So all these are trees. I think what I'll do is just bring some greenery about right there and make this like grass. So I think that's what I'll do. It will make more sense. And then right here, so with this wall area, I think I'm going to gray that down or cool it down. So I am taking the ultramarine blue, the cad yellow that I had, and cadmium red. So that is going to cool this down more. So let's bring some shades of gray in this area. Okay, so let's just add. Okay, so I'm going to put some shadows there, cast shadows, so that will make more sense. Some shadows here, and let's see if we can just use this color for it. Okay, and let me just remind myself of one other thing. So let's just reshape this shadow right there. So if you notice, this is what I have, and then titanium white. Okay, and I just want to gray this area. Okay. For now, just apply a little bit of this color here and there, and then all this is the yard. So what we'll do with that is just put some greenery right there, and this will remind me to come back and work on this at home. Okay, so I think I'm going to stop here. So guys, I think that's about it for today, and I know that I am still not done with this, but my lighting is changing, so I think I'm going to stop for today, and the next time that I work on this will be in my studio or in my living room. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that, and like, and also share. And thanks again for watching. Happy painting. Bye.